Sterling is 100% environmentally focused.
Nestled in a rural Vermont village and uses local farms, forests, rivers, and wetlands as our classrooms.
With a small student body of less than 125 students and in the rural northeast corner of Vermont, we are able to foster a tight-knit community that prides itself on sustainable and socially responsible living.
At Sterling, we provide you with the opportunity to roll your sleeves up and learn in a very hands-on, experiential way to challenge the status quo.
Sterling, where small is better.
Where small is better.
Where small is better.
Visit us at sterlingcollege.edu to learn how you can be a change maker.